Now, as I have discussed it, that you find it, first X will going to execute. After the X, it will take the C. Then again, when it find E, it will quit out from the E and will go to the S. So what I said, if it is S, then also it will not going to print. So as it find it is S, it will quit out. That means I will increase, and you see the inner loop I also increases, the outer loop I also increases. That means both the I is increases simultaneously. As soon as it do the work, it increases. If it is doesn't, then it come out and this thing is printed, and when it is printed, the outer loop I is increases. Okay, so this is the way, or this is the part what it is going to do. Then it find I. As soon as it find I, it will print I. So as soon as it is printing I, this outer loop is again increased. Okay, so similarly you find it make a comparison tally between the inner loop and the outer loop. That is very important point to be noted, and it is to be kept in your mind and in your brain, that how to execute the different type of loops and how to implement their different type of iteration process, of iterative process. Okay, so next program I am going to show you. You see the next program. See this next program. Okay, so what is the next program? Previous program, what I have done, that I have taken out E and S. Now in this program, what I am doing, I am changing it V and X. Now what is the difference between these two programs? The difference between these two programs is a break statement. Okay, so it is a continue statement. The thing will continue, and here what I am giving break. So first let us run the program and see what the output it is showing to us. Have you seen the output? So what the output is showing to us? See what I said, that when you find the letter V or letter X, you will break the thing. That means you will not do any work. So as soon as it is take E, it find that E is there. So when E is there, it printed out the value of E. Okay, so as soon as it's printed out the value of E, it increases. I equals to I plus 1. That means we are writing here how I plus equals to 1. So it has increases. As soon as it increases, where it has went, it went to the X. So when it went to the X, it find it that whether it is in that condition what has been given. What is the condition? If AI equals to V, or AI equals to X. So this second condition is tallied, or this second condition is satisfied. As soon as it is satisfied, what it was doing previously, so I have kept this program also by the side, it was continuing the program. That means it was going to the next part, again to the next part, again it's skipping and going to the next part. But here, as soon as you give the break statement, it will not going to skip. So as soon as it will not going to skip, what it will do, it will totally stop the program where it find the particular condition is satisfied. As soon as this condition is satisfied, AI equals to X. Yes, AI equals to X. So it will break the statement. That means it will going to break the program, and after breaking the program, only you find it what it has printed. It has printed the first letter of the word excessive. So this is how you can similarize, or you can use the different type of conditions that are there. So continue condition and break. Two same program, same type of thing I have done, but in the two case I have used the two things. In the first case I have used the continue. See here, in the first case I have used the continue, and in the second case I have used the break. So continue and break, two different condition of your programming section. These two things will going to do the different type of implementation in the programming section. So this is the part which I need to highlight here, that as soon as you do any pattern of the program in Python, so this particular programming section, this particular programming part, there are the different type of implementation of